Jimin is Jimin sit there blankly. Jin and Jay talking with each other. Jimin, Jin Hyung. Jin look at him. Jimin Young still didn't come back. Jin says something, but the door knocked. Uh, may they come? He said. Jin go to open the door. Jin, you stay here. I will come in 2 minutes. He said. Jimin nodded and he goes start to wait for Yoongi, or if they don't come, then Jin and take him. Jimin is alone in the room. He look at the window direction and see a moon. He go to see the moon. His face is glowing in the moon and light, and he remembers something which make tears fall from his hand. It's easy to pronounce, but when it's come to you, the person on the spot like he is by thinking the same thing, it's not easy to forget me now. He don't forget for his whole life. It's become the permanent part of the uh, Jimin look up and see him with his teary eyes. Jimin is avoiding eye contact with him. Yoongi, Jimin, look at me, but Jimin don't. Yoongi, please, Jimin, look at me. Jimin start crying more. Yoongi, please don't cry, please. Jimin take a step back. Yoongi stop him. Yoongi, my mini is strong, right? Jimin, I am not your mini anymore. Yoongi, you are my mini. No one can change the reality. Uh, Jimin, no, I am not your mini anymore. Yoongi, yes, no one can change the reality, and the reality is this: you are my mini, and it's true. He said, and Jimin sighed as no, Jimin, no, no, no way. Your mini is not like I don't know what he did. You don't know anything. It's so. Yoongi see Jimin is getting. Yoongi went to him about to when Jimin. Jimin, why are you not ready to understand? I'm not. Jin Jimin, I am no Jin. Now only Yoongi can handle him. You don't go. It's become more Yoongi. Really, Jimin, you are saying this, but everyone knows Jimin is still angel. See, everyone is here for you. I'm also here for you. You, Jin Young, Nam, Jin Young, Tae, Jungkook. Everyone is here. If you are, then they don't come in. No, no one like person. So everyone, Jimin here. How can Jimin is Yoongi? Moreover, you and she's saying you are not, and you know your Yoongi don't such lie. He said, and Jimin looked at him. Yoongi, whenever Yoongi have problem, he share with this Jimin, right? Then why are not? Then why are not Jimin share with him? Jimin is scared from, right? Then Yoongi is also, how can Jimin do all this? Jimin is not sharing with Yoongi. He said Jimin eyes become teary. Yoongi slowly take his step toward him. He take Jimin and his Jimin Yoongi. Yoongi tighten his grip around in his eyes. He look at Jimin who is sleeping. They give him because doctors he don't take, it's not good for him. Yoongi make him lay on the bed. Yoongi Tae, I take him with him when I come back. Okay. Tae, don't go, Young. He ask about you from me. Yoongi, don't worry. I come before he wake up. He said and go from there. I am where he go. JK, I don't know. I am going with him. It's not good to leave him now. He said. I am nodded and go. Jin Namjoon, don't you know who is he? I am Sanas. No, I am Soyeon because he is not ready to tell anything, and I also don't say anything because he deserve. Jin nodded. I am look at him. I am not understanding the boy. Isn't Yoongi and Soyeon? What you think, huh? He leave Jimin like this? No ways. Never come in his apartment. Jindan, who did? I am Sanas. No, I am. Not only Jimin can tell us who did. Jin, and I don't think it's good to ask from Jimin now. I am. Right. Only Yoongi can ask him. Let's see when he asks what he do. Jin sign and sit beside Jimin. Taehyung when they Yoongi come in his office. He didn't care about anything. He opened the door and see a person in the chair. He went to him and held him by his. The boy, Yoongi, tell me who did this. I swear I don't. The boys, Jungkook come and see. He ran to him and JK Hyung, relax, relax. How can he tell like this? Yoongi said him, tell me. JK, look boy, tell me if you he said, and the boy looked at him. But I don't know. I didn't write the letter for Jimin. Someone gave me money and said do all this. I did now. I don't know who is the person. He wear a mask. He said and looking down. Yoongi looked at him. Jackie, he also don't know anything. Yoongi, if you don't send for Jimin, then it's not happen. He said and went to the table. He opened the drawer and see he looked at Jungkook, who closed the door. The boy eyes widen. JK, this is not a time of thinking all this Young, so please for now stop all this here and focus on Jimin. Uh, we will find him, don't worry. He said and Jungi nodded. Jungi go and Jungkook called JKT uncle. Jimin opened his eyes and see himself in his room. He sit on the bed and look here and there, and then the bathroom door open. Yoongi come out. Jimin see Yoongi, and somewhere he saw never life. Yoongi pass him a smile. He went to him and sit in front of him. Yoongi hold his both hands. Jimin on Jimin hand and then look at Jimin who is showing him without any hesitation. Jimin Yoongi. So Jimin is totally fine now. You sleep too much today. You don't sleep in. Also, let's watch movie. Jimin Sanas no Yoongi no. We watch movie and it's final. Jimin but Yoongi no. But I want to watch movie. Jimin you watch Yoongi. I want to watch with you. Jimin stay silent. Yoongi sits beside him. He on the movie and they are watching. Now it's Yoongi choice. Jimin is watching the movie with full focus and here Yoongi. They watch and it's Jimin still don't know he was watching this movie first time. Yoongi already was so he know. Jimin sit on the bed. You look here and Yoongi what happened? What you want something? Jimin I'm hungry. He said and Yoongi smile. Yoongi what you want to eat? Jimin see the time. It's morning 5:30 a.m. So yeah, Yoongi didn't sleep all night. She went on the Jimin, you didn't sleep all night. Yoongi, still I am not sleepy. You tell me what you want to eat. I am also hungry. Jimin, no, Yoongi is saying, Jimin, I am not hungry, Yoongi, but I am. What about ice cream? Jimin, Sanas, no. Jimin, sleep now. He said and look at Yoongi with his concerned eyes. Yoongi see him and both look into each other eyes. Jimin is the one who looking down first. Yoongi, Jimin, let's start a new life only. You and me, there is no one expect us, only us and our memories. Can you give me one more chance? Jimin, can you remove? And Jimin is not shocked, his eyes is not wide, and he know how much he is feeling peace. He don't care about why he is doing, why it's all. He know one thing, he is feeling peace, and now Yoongi also know what Jimin wants. Um, Jimin eyes is closed. Jimin looking down. Yoongi, you trust me, Jimin, more than anything. He said in low voice. Next, Yoongi give him. Jimin eyes fixed on him. Yoongi, are you feeling better? Jimin didn't give him any reply, and Yoongi phone start ringing. It's 8 a.m. now. Yoongi, give me 2 minutes. Attend the call. I am Yoongi. Yoongi, how is Jimin? Sorry if I disturb you. Yoongi, no, you don't. You didn't, and he is fine. I am uncle. I want to meet him. Yoongi way. I don't know. They just come now. Jimin look at Yoongi who is showing him. Yoongi tell them he didn't. Tell them he did not come. He didn't come. He is taking rest. He said and cut the call. Yoongi never, Mr. Kim, but now Jimin is more important than anything. He sat beside him. Jimin hold his hand. Jimin look at him. Yoongi speaks something. Your silence. Jimin sleep for some times. I'm fine. Yoongi, I will sleep when you sleep. Jimin, I am not. Also not. Jimin, let's sleep. Yoongi, you want to eat something? Simba. Jimin Sanas, no, Jimin, I want to sleep, he said, and Yoongi nodded. Yoongi still not satisfied by his answer, but she nodded and lay on the bed. And lay on the bed. Jimin closes his eyes. Yoongi see him. He don't know when both fell in sleep. Yoongi didn't even loosen in sleep. It's almost 3 p.m. of the evening when Jimin is the one who wake up first. He see Yoongi, Simba, and remember everything. Jimin in mind. I don't know about anything, Yoongi, but it's give me peace. I'm feeling like you, me as you. No one have. He think and sit on the way. He did not. He didn't. So beautiful, and white is also Yoongi favorite color. Yoongi went to him and cupped his fist. Yoongi, Jimin, are you okay? Jimin feeling a little bit. She said his voice is low. Then Yoongi, then before Yoongi, no, it's take time now. So he smiled. Yoongi, it will be all right. I give you. Jimin can. He said. Then looking down, he again look at him. Jimin, it's give me peace. He said, and Yoongi. Jimin didn't sponges and Yoongi Jimin. Jimin turned and he started to dry his hairs. Yoongi, I will help you. Jimin, no, you go fresh up. He said and Yoongi nodded. He go for fresh up. Jimin signed and started to dry his hairs. Jimin in mind, I don't ignore him like this. He's the only way of my peace. I am feeling safe and strong with him. This is what I want. Simba, this is it. Simbo idla. Simbo. Simbolani. Simbo mein Shehzadi. Sorry guys. Um, New life. We spend our life happily. I don't want to think all this because of him, but still I need time, and I know he give me time. He's in his thoughts. Yoongi come out. Jimin see him. He continue his work, and Yoongi is staring him. Jimin about to go. Yoongi hold his hand. Jimin look at him. Yoongi, Jimin free his hand. Jimin, you stay away from me, he said, and sit on the bed. Yoongi see him. It's clear. Jimin tried to be fine just for him. Yoongi, now you. Jimin, I'm already. Yoongi, oh really now? Jimin look at him and sign. He sees his phone and Tay missed calls. He call him. Tay, hey Jimin, how are you? You are Jimin or Yoongi? Young calling me from Jimin. Young calling me from Jimin number. Speak something, Jimin. I'm Jimin. Silent. He speaks something. Jimin, we think about this later, okay? Yeah, take care and come to meet me, Jimin. If you want to meet me, come by yourself. To speak further, he cut the call. Jimin see Yoongi is busy in his phone. He's silent about to go out when Yoongi stop him. Yoongi, where are you going, Jimin? When you don't give me something to eat, so of course I go to make by myself. I try to do cooking. Yoongi, oh sorry, I'm going. You sit here. He said and go out from the room. Jimin, sit on the bed. Jimin, you are worried for me. I know, Yoongi. I don't want you to become worried for me, so I'm trying my best. I act to be normal. He think and go out from the room, and he stand beside Yoongi. Yoongi said him go, but Jimin didn't listen him. How much he try, but still he need time. He need time to be fine like before. Simba. Almost 1 month passed. Jimin is trying his best to be normal, but sometimes he starts crying, and Yoongi understands the situation, but he tried to spend the most of the time with him, but he have to do work also. So he said to stay with him whenever it's important to go out. He will every information about him and about RM and Jungkook. They are still finding the man. They don't know who do this. Even they ask for from Jimin, but Jimin didn't tell him. Jimin still on the thing. He said he don't leave Yoongi, so he won't tell anyone. Yoongi said him don't ask from him. We will find by ourselves, and if we don't, then he asked from Jimin by himself. With chance, then they. Jimin is taking a lecture, so he take Jimin here in his favorite park. Uh, both both sit on their bed. It's the time of sunset, and they sit enjoying their view. Yoongi, Jimin, Jimin, hi, Yoongi. You remember this is the park where I see you first time. You sit here with and talking with him, not talking, arguing with him. Jimin, yeah, he's not ready to listen me. That's why. Tay, you were looking so beautiful. He said, and Jimin passed him a small smile. Jimin, and why you come in the park? Yoongi, I always come park at evening for jogging before seeing you, but when I see you, then I start to come for you, Jimin. Crazy. He said, and Jimin and smile. He looked into another side. It's true. Even I asked from a old lady here what I do, so she tell me I asked you direct for and the idea work. Jimin, really? You talk about me with old ladies? Yoongi, yeah. Like it's true, Jimin. Yeah, true. It's about age and experience, Jimin. I was thinking, when we become old, we also come here, and the kids come and ask us what they do. Now, like I ask from Granny. Jimin, not everyone is like you, kind-hearted, sportive, and also cooperative person. Yoongi, yes, it's true. I have that much ability. That's why I get you. Otherwise, I may don't have any chance. Jimin Chakal, Simba. Jimin Chakal. Simba. Simba. Jimin, yes, if you me, then you may really don't have. Yoongi, then thanks to go. Granny, she gave me a suggestion, and if I got her, then I said her thanks. Jimin, yes, you do. You get park, Jimin. Yoongi, I am glad, Jimin. Yes, you are. He said each other. You know what happened with me and leave me. Like seriously, how can he do this with me, girl? And you are fine. I don't. I am. Don't you have any? I mean, you don't have any girl one. Why would I have? I mean, if we do, I also do. And you know what is in every. This is permanent. A girl too. That's why is a girl on the spot. But they totally. And when you are becoming they don't have only work, and they don't even some days pass. All they just do they want to be, and saying you don't interfere, all this enjoy your life like I am doing. At least I am not Simba. You can't trust anyone nowadays. We enjoy our life happily. Let's go home. Then both go. Jimin heard everything. Jimin mind, which is her mean, huh? I want to ask her. He stands, but Yoongi, come, Yoongi. Where are you going? Jimin, huh? I'm coming to see you, Yoongi. Sorry, the shop is far from this place. Here, take the water. Jimin nodded and to drink the water a little bit and give bottle to Yoongi. Jimin mind this said all this, but my Yoongi is not like this and with me. But if he is also thinking me just because now I am not like before, and we are doing Yoongi, Jimin. He shocked him. Jimin, yes. Yoongi, where were you lost? Huh? You want something? Jimin, no, let's go home. Yoongi, oh, okay, let's go. Then if you want to go somewhere, tell me. Jimin, no, I just want to go home. Let's go, Yoongi. Okay, come. He said, and he held his hand, take Jimin with him. They come home. 1 week pass. Jimin always think about their words. Jimin always think about their words he didn't share with Yoongi, and he started to see his actions. Yoongi come here, enter in the room. He see Jimin and went to him. Yoongi, you know I'm so tired today, Jimin. I do a lot of work. Jimin, go and fresh up. So Yoongi had a maid to take care of Jimin and also make food. Jimin started to find something on the table, and then Yoongi come. He went to him. Jimin see him through the mirror. Yoongi, you are my Jimin, he said, and Jimin stay away. Jimin, leave me, Yoongi. Yoongi, where what happened? Jimin, just leave me. Givaki look at him through the mirror. Yoongi, listen. Jimin, listen me. He held his arm and turned him. Jimin, why you come here, huh? You are tired, so go and take rest. Why you come here, Yoongi? So I am. He said, and Jimin avoid eye contact. with him. Yoongi signed and went to him. He held him by his shoulder. Sorry for noises. He held him by his shoulder. Yoongi, you never met Jimin. Remember this. Remember, you think it's every. You think there is life. You think it's their life. May they meet with the person like this, but you are my minima, Jimin. How can you think about you all this, Jimin? I know you are, so you take them serious, but Jimin, you can't hide this from me. Like you misunderstood me. We are going far from each other like this, Jimin. I'm sorry, Yoongi. I'm sorry for everything. Yoongi, look at me, he said, and Jimin looked up. He looked at him. Yoongi, now tell me what I said to you 1 month ago. And Yoongi already remembered he said, and Yoongi chuckled. Yoongi, seriously, then I no need to wait for my mochi, huh? Jimin, who are you, Yoongi? I'm really now going now going away from me, huh? Jimin, yes, Yoongi is now feeling like it's really his Jimin is not the last man is so for him but now he is happy. Jimin, just stay away from me, otherwise I think I'm just he said and make up out Yoongi. Oh really? Okay, think Jimin, how much you are, Yoongi? My mini is mad at me. Jimin nodded and turned and turn he folded his hand. Yoongi, now I have a new way to make my mini. Sorry, now I have a new way to make my mini and make my mini agree. He said, and Jimin turned. He looked at him, being confused. Yoongi covered his face. Huh. Jimin, you are? Go from here, Yoongi chuckled to say his cuteness. After a long time, it feels like mid apartment is again glowing like it used to glow before. Some time passed and Jimin is not feeling. He didn't tell Yoongi. He talked with Jin and Jin said, Jimmy do and then tell Yoongi. If it's now Jimin is scared. If it's then what he do? If he, how he tell Yoongi he have Jimin take a deep breath and go in the bathroom. After some time, he come out and sit in the edge of the bed. It's so Yoongi come home early today. He was in the living room doing his work. So Jimin didn't tell him anything. Yoongi come in the room and see him. Yoongi Mini, he called him. Jimin look at him. Jimin, Yoongi, you are here. What are you doing here, Yoongi? Means Jimin, what happened? Why are you behaving like this? Is there something happened? Jimin, what behave? I am behaving normal. You are thinking too much, Yoongi. Are you sure I am? If there have any problem, Jimin, it's all because of you, Yoongi. Huh? Because of me, Jimin. Yes, because of you. Now, how can I handle too? He said, and Jimin looked at him, being Yoongi looked at him, being confused, and then he sees Jimin's nervous face, and also in his hand, his eyes wide. He looked at Jimin, who is hiding his face. Yoongi, Jimin, I don't have any fault. It's all because of you. Huh? I didn't do anything. Jimin look at him with done face. Yoongi, seriously, Jimin, I'm so happy. Yoongi, I don't know how to Simba, 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 idhar aaja. Yoongi, I don't know how to explain how much I am happy, Jimin. Thank you so much. He said and back he looked at Jimin and covered his face. Yoongi, are not you are happy? Jimin, I am so happy. I thought you are not so. Yoongi, how can you think like I am so happy? I handed to Yoongi, huh? There is a possibility of, and how I also how you know, Jimin, first you are kid and now this Yoongi. Oh yeah, and wait, who is kid here? Jimin, who? Yoongi heard his voices call. His voice suddenly changed. Yoongi girl, Yoongi, of course me. Jimin, yes. He sits on the bed. Yoongi, let's go. Jimin, where? Yoongi, first to do this. First we go to meet doctor and we then we go to tell everyone about this. Jimin, first I have to tell Jin Young. He said me to do this. Yoongi, oh, Yoongi, he's must be thinking we give him surprise. Let's go. Yoongi bent down on his Yoongi hip. I'm so excited and also I know how much I am happy. Jimin started laughing. Yoongi looked at him with disbelief. Yoongi voice. So Jimin, what you think? He listen Yoongi. I don't care listen me or not. I will talk with him whenever I want. Jimin, okay. I think we are. Yoongi and Jimin first go to doctor and they do And Jimin is totally fine. He just don't take. He's that much happy. Even go forget about it and everything. Every evening and. The news is, and even the news is not this small. So finally they reach Kim mansion, and the first voice they heard, "Tay, I live with Jungkook. Huh? I just said you buy me a ice cream, and what you said you are busy. Your work is more important than me. If then tell me how you go and spend your life happily with your work. I go somewhere. I search my dad to find a perfect one for me." He said, and Jacob eyes wide and Jake, "No, no, please. I'm about to going, but Tay, but your precious welcome. You know what get from here." He speak more. He see Jimin stand there laughing at Jungkook. He forget Jungkook and run to him. They both besties. So many things to tell you, Jimin. I also have something to tell you. He didn't taste picture. First, I tell you. About to take him. Jungi hold his hand. Jungi, he stay with me. Jimin, we are going in my room, not out of country, huh? Jungi still he stay with me. He said and look at him with confused face and okay, we sit in the living room and then Jin come. Jin, hey Jimin, you come. You don't call me. Tell me there is a Jimin. Hyung, actually it's Jimin nodded and Jin eyes wide and he becomes so happy. Jin, congratulations, my mini. I can't believe he's holding up. He suddenly is shocked. JK, really, congratulations. He meet with Jungi and Mrs. Kim come. She also meet with Jimin and said congrats. Jimin CT, he went to him and shake him. Is it true? Jimin nodded and they start jumping in happiness. Yes, I'm so happy. Finally. Jimin and Jimin smile. I'm seriously, guys. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you both. Yungi, thanks Namji. It's just my last work left. After that, I decide me and Jimin shift to US. Jimin complete his study there. It's best decision. Young, they all sit. Yungi sit beside Jimin. He didn't let Jimin go anywhere. And Jin talking and Jin, Jimin talking with each other. Everyone is so happy they forget about past. So what you decide? What is this? Jimin, seriously, are you or what? Huh? I'm the world happiest person. Jimin, it seems like you are. Yes, me and yes, you and me is same. So I am Jimin. You. He said, and everyone started laughing. Sorry, Yoongi, Jimin, if you want something, tell me. Of course, he wants Yoongi. What? He want to go with me in my room. He said, and Yoongi raised his eyebrow. Yoongi, he want or you, huh? Yoongi eyes wide and Yoongi, huh? No, no, please, Young, don't do this because of that Taeyang. Hyung, do this. Jimin stay with us. We take care of him. How can Young take care of him? He have to go office also. Yoongi, I do. I know how to take care of him. Okay. You no need to tell me anything and don't worry about him. He said and give him glares. Jimin looked at them cutely while drinking the juice with straw. They are arguing. Jin, with whom you want to stay, Jimin? It's your decision. He said, Jimin, don't. He said, Jimin, don't even bother to think. He pointed toward Jungi. Jimin, whatever. I will see him later. He rolled his eyes. Jin, good boy. This is the best choice for you now. Jimin giggled, but he stopped when he see the person in front of him, making the glass of the juice fall from his hand. Jungi see he become worried. Jungi. Chuhaijin Yungi, tell me, Jimin, what happened? Mr. Kim, oh, Jimin, what happened? Jimin, Yungi, let's go home, please. Yungi, tell me what happens. I am here. Tell me, Jimin, Yungi, he is the person who said, who come. He make everyone shocked. Jimin crying. Mrs. Kim is looking down. Jimin is crying and Jimin, trust me, Yoongi, please trust me. He did all this. He said while crying. Said, Dad, Mr. Kim, what you are believing him? He become history with us for whole life now. Do this, Jimin. This Yoongi, trust me. Yoongi, don't cry. Why you did this, Mr. Kim? Son, arm he must say truth now. When Jimin stay her dad used to uh, time, but when I thought to do something, Yoongi come in his life, so I stay silent. Mrs. Kim, he do everything I know. Halt him. Yoongi leave Jimin to Jin. Yoongi, how dare you did all this? Huh? He take you as your and what you did, he started to go from there blankly, and Mrs. Kim didn't stop him. He almost, when Yoongi heard Jimin crying voice, he went to him. Yoongi Namjin, I am leaving him on you. Okay, you know very well what you have to do. I am nodded. Mrs. Kim, sit on the couch. Mrs. Kim, he deserved this. Yoongi have given and Jimin back a him and to take him with him. Huh. Oh, 6:15. And to take him with him. You all know what Namjoon did. After that, Yoongi take Jimin home. He finally take his and you know how much he Jimin is feeling like he's free now. He's happy in his life, and with Jay, he is not sad. Jungkook asked him for air, and he said yes. And with Namjoon and Jin, they go back. Yoongi and Jimin also go US. So I didn't write too much as it's too late. And yeah, Jay know everything what Mr. Min do in past, but he don't know he is the one. And Jimin, when he got to know, he leave him. And Mrs. Min is living peacefully with Jay and Cook. A happy ending. Hope so you guys like. If you like, then subscribe and also tell me in comments. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.